All right, how you guys doing today? Awesome. So let's talk about how you can turn $7 into $1,000. Let's just, yeah. And so many of you will be thinking, could this be maybe it's a lottery or whatever you want to call it, right? How is it even possible to turn $7 into $1,000? Maybe you want to go play the lottery and hope to make hope to get a win, right? Because when you talk of $7, that's a very, very small amount of money. I think that if you go to McDonald's and just get a burger, that's just $7, right? So it's something everybody can afford. So, and that's why nobody takes it serious, right? And right now, I'm talking about you, committing $7 to earn high ticket commissions. So that's shocking, right? But I'm going to explain how that works, right? And why I'm just introducing this to you so that you can take the opportunity and see if this is something that you like, right? Now, so now the product, or do I call it a product? I call it a system, right? Because you are actually not buying anything. So I can't call it a product. You are just committing to the program, right? So the program is called the one-page funnel system. And yes, and I have promoted that system before, okay? And right now it has been made better. But you'll be asking, but Victor, how do you earn close to $1,000 if you are just going to pay one time $7? So that's what I'm going to explain to you so that you get it clearly, right? Because when you understand it, you will now see the reason why you should get involved immediately and why I am involved and so many people are getting involved right now because because this is exciting, okay? Now, this one-page funnel system works with what is called a CPA platform, right? It has a platform with CPA offers. Now, some of you who have not done anything, make money online, you will not understand what is a CPA offer. Now, a CPA, or what is even a CPA, right? Now, CPA simply means cost per action. Now, there are some companies out there, they are looking for people to take some certain actions, right? Some of those actions could include filling up a form, right? Putting their name, email, all those things. And then those that introduce those people to them, they just pay them some commissions, right? Now, while there are some platforms that some companies that pay you to bring them customers to buy their products, which will cost a lot of money, right? So that's where the high ticket thing comes. Because with the one-page funnel system, you could literally earn up to 500. In fact, from what I learned, you could earn almost up to $900 in commission, right? So that's very good. So your chance of making $1,000 while you are just committing only $7 is okay. So now let me explain how this whole thing works so that you get it right now. So the way it works is through what is called a CPA offer, right? So like I said, companies come to a CPA platform and then they are looking for customers or they are looking for leads, right? Like I said, people filling up their name and email and all those things. So it depends on what the company is looking for, right? Now, with the one-page funnel system, they already are they are already a CPA platform, right? So they have all these offers, hundreds of them, right? And so you only need to be qualified to promote them, right? So most of the time you have to apply and then be granted the right to promote, because most of those companies will not allow you to promote their products for them. Even though they are looking for customers, they are really looking for serious people that can promote their products. So most of the time you will not be approved to promote their products, right? Now, but as a member of the one-page funnel system, you don't need their approval, right? So that is good. In fact, you yourself don't even need to know the product, which is so amazing, right? So now, once you pay your $7, you will now be part of the one-page funnel system, and they will give you a link, okay? So now that your link will be linked again to the CPA platform, all right? So that's powerful. So all you need to do, once you have your one-page funnel link, you just share your link. And it's so easy to share your link, right? So you can share your link on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, wherever you like. Just go there and share your link. Now, when you share your link, now the system takes over from there. So that's good, right? So as people come into your link, the system now start promoting all the CPA offers to them, right? So you can see how it works, right? And once any of them make purchases or buy anything, then you make a commission. It's so simple, but a lot of people, because they don't understand CPA offers, they don't get it, right? Now, if you join the one-page funnel system, everything is done for you. That's why we call it 100% done for you. You know, normally almost all done for you are 90%, right? Now, the one-page funnel system is 100% done for you. Once you set it, anyway, you don't have to set anything, right? So, so let me not say once you set up something, there's nothing to set up. Once you join, and if you decide that, look, I don't have the time, I don't have the, you know, I don't have the time to start sending traffic to my link, right? So all you needed to do is to just contact the admin and get them to send traffic for you. So that's why it's 100% system, because one, you don't set up, you set up nothing, right? The capture page, everything is set up for you, right? The follow-up emails are done for you. You don't need an autoresponder. You don't need any of those things, right? If you don't even need to build a list if you don't want to. So the only list I am building in the system is a buyers list, right? So when I get buyers, I add them to my email autoresponder. So I'm not even building the regular kind of list that we build, right? I'm only building a list of buyers. And you can do the same also, especially if you're an experienced marketer. You should go for the buyers. But you don't need an autoresponder. You don't need to send out emails. You don't need to do any follow-up. Literally, you don't need to do anything. You just wait. You know, you get the admin to send the traffic for you. The admin will be sending traffic on your behalf. You just wait and see if you make commissions, right? That's how it's so simple like that. So that's why I love it. So it's up to you how you want it run. You want it to run 90%? Or you want it to run 100%, that's your own choice, right? And look, The fact that you can earn high ticket commissions is one of the reasons why I'm promoting it. You know, I like high ticket commissions. The fact that you could earn up to $500, $900, that is one of the reasons I am promoting the system, even though it just costs $7, right? Like I told you, you don't need more than $7. You don't need to spend more than $7. It's just $7 one-time payment, and you'll be part of the system. So you can see how simple this system is. It's so simple that I have less explanations to do. It's amazing, right? It's so simple. I don't even have to explain anything, right? So it's so easy. So all you have to do to join the one-page funnel system, there is a link in the description above, and I'm also leaving a link in the description below. So what you just do, you just put in your name and email, and then you pay your $7. Just $7 one time. No monthly fees. So don't worry whether you are going to pay monthly fees. There's no monthly fees. It's just a one-time $7. So I like this because everybody in the world can afford it, right? And then once you do that, you get your system. And once your system is ready with your link, which is just 5 minutes, all you now need to do, start sending traffic, right, to your link, so that those traffic will be sent straight to the CPA offers on your behalf. And and for those of you who don't like to send traffic, you don't want to do anything, it's simple. Just ask the admin to do the done for you traffic, and they will be sending traffic for you. So that's between you and the admin. And then your system will be just 100% running automatically. You don't even have to do anything anymore. Just wait for commission. I think a lot of people are doing that in the group, right? They are just, because I don't see them promoting anything like me. So I think most of them just wait and just get commissions. You know, somebody else does everything for them, and that's okay. We are living in that world right now where people do everything for you. So there is nothing wrong with that, right? I just like to promote. I just like to promote. So I also do 100%, right? I got the admin to send me traffic while I'm still doing my promotion, because if I'm not doing my promotion, what do I do with my 1 hour a day, right? I have an extra 1 hour a day, so I always use it to do a promotion. You know, that's just me. But you don't have to promote. No, you don't. All you have to do, get the admin to do all the promotion for you. All right? So guys, if you want to join the $7, is just $7. Everybody can afford $7. If you want to join the $7 one-page funnel system right now, there is a link in the description above. Go ahead, click that link, okay? I'm also leaving a link in the description, in the comment section. And if you have questions about the one-page funnel system, all right, just leave it in the comment or get across to me, right, through messenger or email or anyhow you can, all right, and I will respond to all your questions. So I wish you success with the one-page funnel system. I believe it's a great system, and I hope that the creator keep it going for as long as possible so that everybody can be successful with this program. All right, so with that, I will see you again. Take care. Bye.